With its patented and award-winning DEK VectorGuard, ASM sets the industry standard for high-quality stencil frames. The benefits: faster setups, uniform tension for optimum printing results, and a much longer stencil life. With VectorGuard High Tension, we offer a frame system that was designed especially for the high demands of fine pitch and ultra-fine pitch applications. The 45% increase in tension delivers outstanding transfer efficiency for even the most demanding printing jobs. Mounting and releasing your stencils involves only a few steps and takes just seconds. VectorGuard frames deliver perfectly even tension across the entire stencil, an important prerequisite for stable, high-quality printing. Our unique mechanical clamping needs compressed air only for the very fast stencil change and delivers maximum reliability on all printer platforms. Forget frame systems that are trouble-prone and difficult to operate. Keep your stencils tight with DEK VectorGuard and benefit from optimal printing results. DEK VectorGuard is more than a superior stencil frame system. Our portfolio of easy-to-use provisioning solutions gives you a perfect stencil storage system. Space-saving, easy to manage, and easy to operate. Stencils, squeegees, cleaning materials, everything has its place. No long searches, no damage. Your operators find everything where and when they need it. Efficient processes require perfect support. With the DEK VectorGuard workstation, everything is in its place to make stencil changeovers as quick and efficient as possible.
Our ASM experts will work with your team to optimize your printing process based on the broad portfolio of tools and consumables to get the most out of your equipment.